If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. If you connect external sales channels to QuickBooks Online, the external orders import as sales orders in QuickBooks Online. Separately, you can also now manually create sales orders in QuickBooks Online Plus or higher. Manually created sales orders in QuickBooks Online are like invoices. However, sales orders do not affect inventory item quantity on hand levels or amounts in accounts receivable unless they are converted into an invoice in QuickBooks Online. However, inventory item quantities for sales orders do appear in the product details for the inventory items in the products and services list and do affect the available quantity of those inventory items. You can add columns for quantity on SO and available quantity to the products and services list to easily see these numbers if needed. To view sales orders in QuickBooks Online, click the Sales link in the navigation bar, and then click the Sales Orders tab at the top of the page that opens to the right. Alternatively, to open the Sales Orders page, hover over the Sales link in the navigation bar, and then click the Sales Orders link in the side menu that appears. The Sales Orders page shows any sales orders for your company in a list. It shows columns for order number, order date, channel, order total, order status, payment status, fulfillment status, and actions. To create a new sales order in QuickBooks Online Plus if needed, click the Create New button in the upper right corner of the Sales Orders page to open a sales order window. Here, enter the customer and product information, just as when creating an invoice, which we already covered in an earlier lesson titled Creating an Invoice. To save the sales order, or save the sales order and create another new sales order, click either the Save or Save a New button in its lower right corner, respectively. Alternatively, to cancel creating the sales order, click the Cancel button. To perform actions on sales orders manually created in QuickBooks Online Plus, click the Displayed command or click the drop-down arrow and then select a command under the desired Sales Orders Actions column. To edit the sales order in the Sales Order window, click the Edit command. To convert the sales order into an invoice in QuickBooks Online, select the Convert to Invoice command. To cancel the sales order, select the Cancel Order command. To mark the sales order as shipped, select the Mark as Shipped command. To close the sales order, select the Close Order command. To email the sales order, select the Email command. To print the sales order, select the Print command. To view the details of a sales order you processed, click the View Details link. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.